Chongqing, a southwest city of China. Today I want to talk about an experience that I had shopped in a street market. I want to talk about the festival, Temple Fair, at my home. It was firstly Chinese folk God religion custom. Every year's Lantern Festival and the Spring Festival, the small retailer and people who want to buy goods for festival will get together in a main road, like a particular place. They deal with each other. Most of the goods are agricultural products like meat, fruits, vegetables, fish, groceries. The last time I had shopped on the Temple Fair was 10 years ago. As far as I can remember, it was the last time, it was with my mother. We went to a rural area of downtown and bought dozens of kilograms of meat and tofu, fish, fruits and vegetables. Because in festival, my relatives, my kins, will often come to my home. As a host, you should serve them with dishes. When I was young, the best commodity is fireworks. I will ask my mom bought me numerous cans of fireworks. I always look forward to the date of the Temple Fair, and it brought me happy. But nowadays, people are too busy to go to the Temple Fair, and the Temple Fair was instead of shopping mall and supermarket. But it is a memorable time that I had ever experienced. Thank you. Okay, my first point here would obviously be Temple Fair of a time I was shopping in a street. And I have to go for the street market of Temple Fair for the reason that the agricultural products are all organic and fresh, and not only that, they are way cheaper than in the supermarket. Going on to the next point, which was 10 years ago. It's on our Spring Festival. By the way, the thing that needs to be highlighted here is that it's our traditional custom to shop at Temple Fair during Spring Festival or Lantern Festival. It took place at daytime of the previous week of Spring Festival in the town of my hometown, Zibo. During that time, the street was full of organic products and groceries. People were busy buying and selling. The street was full of bustle and hustle. Moving on to the business of what I bought, I would like to explain that I was able to buy various cans of meat and vegetables. For instance, I bought dozens of meat, 10 kilograms of cucumber, 10 kilograms of eggplant, 20 kilograms of tofu, and many other goods. For the reason that during Spring Festival, they would have lots of cans to visit your home. As a host, you should serve them with dishes. And the final point, if time permits, I'd like to bring in the point of how I felt about the spring experience. It was really a memorable one due to the fact that I was able to buy lots of fruit and vegetables with just 300 RMB.